Hello everyone, check out this 4-bedroom terrace duplex here in Orchid Road, Lekki Lagos. This estate is in a strategic location in the Orchid axis and it's having wonderful features like, as you can see, the good road network, well interlocked, solar street lights, perimeter fencing, the gym, the play area for kids, the swimming pool, and a lot of wonderful features in this estate. This estate is having a title of C of O, so that means that your property is very well secured. As you can see, it's having a very beautiful edifice. For more information about this property, you can call the number below and book your inspection. And as you can see, the interior as well. The interior is well done, well tiled. Each room is with water heater, well done and well fitted. A very beautiful edifice. So for more information, call the number below, book your inspection so that you can also make a very good opportunity of owning a property here in Orchid, Lekki Lagos. And this is the first time of you coming across our YouTube channel. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel and also turn on the notification bell so that you can get notifications immediately we drop videos on our page. My name is Folorunso Ahmed Lawal. I'm the lead consultant for Property Lab Nigeria. My job is to ensure you get the best real estate deals that give you a return on investment. Thanks for watching. Enjoy the rest of the video. Thank you.